Okay, so something big has happened to the Webflow community, and this is probably a bad news for Webflow developers.
Cmd+AI.
Allan, the ex-CTO of Webflow. He was the CTO of Webflow. He was, the guy who was shipping. It was all about shipping, just outputting work. So he is now officially the CEO of Cloudflare. That's crazy. That nobody expected this, and this is, CEO. He is the Chief Engineering Officer. So practically CTO of Cloudflare. He was the CTO of Webflow, and now he's gone. It's quite funny knowing that, looking back, Webflow had so many collaboration with Cloudflare, and they just stole their CTO. Yeah. And now he's at Cloudflare.
And the valuations on these companies are very different.
Yeah.
By that I mean in favor of Cloudflare. Cloudflare is a huge, for our non-dev audience, Cloudflare are a huge company, a very important company that when they went down, probably 2 times last year, maybe 1 time this year, 1 time last year, the internet went down.
Yeah.
All of you, whenever your Webflow projects go down 404, it's because of Cloudflare. Like, they are huge.
Yeah, and CTO, he's gone. I searched on LinkedIn for CTO of Webflow. I didn't find anyone. Maybe I didn't search enough, but
they've not found you yet. You need to put in your job application. I hear you're looking for a CTO. Have you ever seen how I can start a dev server?
Just asking Fable on extra high to do it. I don't know how to feel about it. I feel like Webflow community lost like a really important person who was all about developers. He was very technical, and he was very active in the community. Like, there were plenty of times where I said something in the community and he replied, or he, other community members would say something and he would send it to the team to take care of it. So he was very active, and it all happened very suddenly, and there is no explanation. I didn't see a post him saying,
maybe he got locked out of his laptop. He woke up at 7 a.m. and he was, hey Lyndon, my laptop doesn't start. Have you fired me?
Either way, I don't see any tweet or any official explanation that, hey, I'm departing Web. There are normally posts like this, especially for positions like this. No, for how active he was, it's awfully quiet how he just left, and I don't know. It feels a bit strange because he left for Cloudflare, knowing that they were so close with Cloud. It sounds a bit like they stole him.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
It does.
Yeah.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Cmd+AI.